Mercedes Farinas. I do hair replacement. I'm a hair replacement specialist and since 1991, and I have been certified in many different types of applications. I started off being a normal hairdresser, and I felt that there was something missing. I wanted something more than just behind the chair doing perms and highlights, and it took me into the industry of hair replacement. Back in 91, it was very archaic still, and luckily things changed and go into classes and modern issues started coming across and more better techniques is the word I was using. And the techniques helped me make the customer feel more comfortable. The units didn't hurt as much when they were applied. Now it's flat on their scalp. And a lot has come through. Now you don't have to shave anymore. Now you can just apply the unit on the client's existing hair, which a lot of clients like that. When I started purchasing my products from Superhairpieces, I noticed that the quality was very good and consistent quality, not just once or twice, but over the months when I would keep ordering the units for my clients, I didn't have any complaints. Very little hair shedding, if any at all. Very important in the hair replacement industry. The hair shedding is a big deal. And they have a very good option. They have a lot of selection on their catalog. The selection I could choose, and I basically understanding my clients' needs, what I could get for them, where they would feel really comfortable. The opportunity came forward where I could merge with Superhairpieces, and I'm really excited. We have an academy called Evolve Global Academy, and that academy is now going to offer all barbers and stylists the opportunity to bring this into their business. Hair replacement is a very lucrative business, but to be able to do that, you need to be educated. And education is what we're going to offer. I'm very confident that with my experience and Superhairpieces products, we can bring your salon to the next level. If you're interested in this class, call 954-835-2288.